Fully clap, start slow. Clap, clap. Ooh, oh yeah. Oh baby. Baby, when your countertops look tired, we're coming with that Truman fire. Granite marble quartz, we bless it. Bring it back to life like it's brand new, freshly resurrected. We got that knowledge, yeah, we paid our dues. Turning those stone bright, letting colors break loose. It's that top-notch service with the soulful touch. One buff, one seal, and it shines too much. It shines too much. Shines too much. Oh, Truman's reconditioning. Oh, we make it shine again. Granite marble quartz. Yeah, we heal it like a friend. From midtown to your home, let the transformation begin. Pale Truman countertop reconditioning. Bring that magic back again. Yeah. Shine again. Let it glow, let it glow, let it glow. Let it glow. Slide in with that 70s rhythm. Let the edges glow. No scratches left in them. From stains to rings, we smooth them down. Turn your kitchen into the flyest vibe in town. We lift that color, kiss that stone. Turn every countertop into a royal throne. It's peace, it's love, it's R&B, soul, oil, Truman touch, turning one to gold. Truman's reconditioning. Oh, we make it shine again. Bring that countertop back to life, let the texture live again. Granite marble quartz, you already know we win. Pour the Truman countertop reconditioning. Let the rebirth begin.